So in this video, we're gonna go over backlinks and a few SEO tips that will help you with your Facebook page. So just like you do SEO on your website, you should do SEO on your Facebook page. Pick a good name that represents your business. Match the name of your business or brand. Do not mislead people. You cannot include variations of the word Facebook, and some terms and phrases are not allowed. So Facebook will tell you when the name is not valid. So now this one is very important and is your vanity URL or username. This is important to help people remember how to go to your page. So it's easier to go to like facebook.com/the BA Nation than it would be to go to facebook.com/the BA Nation 587325 and some random number that Facebook gives you when you create the page. So, and this username is unique, and much like it's really hard nowadays to get a domain name that is not taken, it's the same thing with Facebook usernames. A lot of them are taken, so sometimes it's tough to get a bit creative, but try to pick something that makes sense, that will help people remember how to get back to your page. So you want to use keywords throughout the page, maybe in your about section, and then under the description, headline, photo, captions, and updates. And we want to leverage the power of backlinks. So backlinks are another crucial element of your Facebook page for SEO optimization. Having authority sites link back to your content is a strong indicator that your content is relevant and valuable. So Google likes that. So Google is now giving results back to your Facebook pages. So don't forget though that just like on websites, backlinks from weird sites is going to hurt your reputation in rankings. So fill out your About tab, including your story. Every new visitor who lands on your Facebook page will first check out your About tab, and they'll try to find all the relevant information about your company. So don't simply whip something out of the top of your head. The About tab is the place where your visitors decide whether they'll become your fans or just pass by. Your About section has limited amount of characters though, so a good idea is to use your story section to write more in depth about your page or your business. So here we are back in our page, and we're gonna go through the About section. This is where you create the username. Here's the story. On the stories, you can create or add links to your main website. That's going to help you, a little bit with SEO and backlinks. And also, now that we have our username set up, I'm going to grab our website and let's add, the Facebook and social media icons. So let's go over here, like this round ones. So let's put it over here. Make them smaller. And maybe I just want the Facebook one, so we're gonna go here and delete the other ones. So I just have Facebook, and the link is gonna go to the one we created. So you can either type facebook.com the whole thing, or you can do fb.com/ and then the username that you pick. Confirm, and maybe we can drop it down here. And save. All right, so now that the website is saved, we come back here and let's just try the link. And there it is, this Facebook. And then if I click on that, it should take me back to the page. Perfect. So in this video, we looked at how to create your vanity URL and a few tips on how to improve the SEO of your new Facebook page.